Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to turn off active status for a specific person. So guys, you must follow these steps. So first of all, you have to click these three sidebars and then you scroll down to messages and story replies. Click on it and then click on show activity status. But this is what you don't want to do guys, because your active status is turned off to all your friends and contacts. So don't do that. Just go to the person you wanna block and select him like that, and then click on these three dots, which is options, and click restrict. Done. Now he can see your active status and he can see you when you read his messages. If you wanna unrestrict him, it's so simple. You have to go to the settings again. You can see this is the restricted section. Click on it and then you will see him appears in the list. You unrestrict him by that. Done. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.